Some products look nice, but don't actually make life easier. These are a few items that I've added to my home that genuinely made a difference in my everyday routine. Today's video is sponsored by Lowe's, which I'm super appreciative and grateful because y'all, Lowe's has some of the best items. They have free shipping, they also offer competitive prices, and they have free store pickup. You definitely can save time shopping at Lowe's because they make it super convenient for us. And they have really been stepping up the game. I have been loving a lot of the offerings and products that they have. So I will link all the items that I talk about in this video, and I will have a QR code that you can scan and shop all these items right from that QR code too. So definitely keep a lookout for that, or check the description box and comments for the links as well. Because y'all know I want you to be able to have easy access to these items. So let's jump in and let me share with y'all some of these finds that just makes life so much smoother. This first item is a over-the-door cabinet organizer. I do not like wasted space. So that is one problem I have an issue with. Behind our cabinet doors, we have a lot of space. I found this 2-pack of door organizers that you can use, and they're usable on both sides of the door. One side you can hold a towel on, or a face towel if you're using it in your bathroom, and then on the other side is a big storage area. So you have 2 different sizes. You can feel free to use things like cutting boards. You can also use, like me, I'm going to be putting my dirty dish towels in here because I was tired of running to the laundry room just to throw one in the dirty clothes. So I wanted one right here in the kitchen where I could toss my dirty dish towels. And that way it saves time, saves clutter. It's large enough. It can store a ton of things in here. You can store extra spray bottles, cleaning supplies, any of those items. And if you're using it in your bathroom, you can even store like hair tools and things like that in it. So I love that it's also adjustable. So you can raise it as low as you would like or make it higher. So it is adjustable. You can screw it wherever you need to, but it's a very easy way to make that area function better and give you some hidden storage. Okay, now for me, sometimes y'all, cleaning would take forever. I will be tired, exhausted. Even the husband, he helps clean too as well. But one thing I will always have, and almost one in every bathroom, and that is an electric scrubber. This one that I got from Lowe's has several different attachment pieces. It has a regular handle on it, but then it also has an extender so you can make it longer. So if you have higher reach areas like high shower walls or low to reach areas and you don't want to break your back, because I have a really bad back, you don't have to do all that bending over. So it can get your shower floors and your bathtubs as well. This one is rechargeable also, and it is powerful. I have used it in several bathrooms. Do recommend that too, and it's definitely made life easier, and you don't have to put all of that energy to cleaning. It does the cleaning for you, and also for me, that bending over and reaching up high, it just makes life easier for sure. So that is another item that has been very helpful as well. And feel free to also use this on like any other areas, like your stove, you know, to get those hard to reach areas where you got these set on stains. You can use it on tile. Anywhere that needs any heavy scrubbing, this is something that can be helpful for. One problem we also have had is that we were always running out of freezer space in our refrigerator / freezer. So I got this mini freezer that is amazing and is so perfect because it does not take up a lot of space like the big deep freezers. So if you have limited space, a corner maybe, area in your garage, wherever, and you have a little bit of space, this thing is amazing. I got the 2.8 cubic feet, which is a little taller. I think they offer 2 sizes, but I got the taller one. And when I tell you, this made bulk shopping easier for us. We can load this mini freezer with a lot of our frozen foods. It can hold a ton. I literally haven't even packed it to its maximum capacity yet. And it also comes with these 2 storage baskets as well. So if you want easy to reach items there, like popsicles, some meats, butters, you know, anything that is easy to reach that you just want to be able to grab out and pull out, you can put in the baskets. So very functional as well. And I think it's a great use of space without like breaking the bank or getting anything large. So if you just need a way to hold and freeze more food, this is perfect. We have not had any issues with it, and I definitely recommend it. Another thing, it also has, I think, up to 7 different temperature settings on it too. So that's awesome as well. And it has a drain hole at the bottom. So if you need to drain it out, you know, to move or whatever, you can do that as well. Now this pollen this season, I don't know about y'all, but this pollen has been hitting us in our house, and you know, these allergies is just out of hand. I'm in my office all the time. I do have a purifier. I keep it in a large area, of course. I wanted something smaller just for my office because I'm in there all the time, all day long. And so I came across this tabletop air purifier. Y'all, I'm in love with it. It is modern, it's lightweight, and I can leave it on my desk or I can put it on a cabinet, and it can keep my air in this room clean and filtered. And I also love that you don't have to worry about like buying new filters for this. You can easily clean it. It's easy to open, and you can just vacuum the filters out. So I love that aspect as well. So once you get it, it can help filter that air, keep that air clean, get all those particles out there. It's quiet. It does have different light settings on here too. You can also change the settings if you want it to go higher or lower. And it has a timer on it as well. So it's kind of like the best of all the worlds, and I have been loving having it in my office. You can also put this on like a nightstand or in the kitchen, somewhere that if you're there all the time and you need you a purifier in that room to help, you know, clear that air out and odors and things like that. This is something you can grab. Let's talk about something outdoors. For me, I'm gonna show y'all. I have had an issue keeping my plants alive. So if you have this issue, something I came across and I really do like are the faux plants. What I'm showing you are faux boxwood plants, and they have stakes that you can literally just stake them in your ground. So if you have, like me, if you need something easy to maintain because they're UV resistant, they are durable and easy to put up, and you don't have to worry about that headache trying to keep them alive. You can get these and set up all over your house, whether inside, outside. Really good for outside though. You can put them on your patios, your decks, your yards, any areas that may not get sunlight, you know, you can put them there. If you have a backyard, you want to make it beautiful and add some plants without it being real plants. This is such a awesome alternative. They do come in a 2-pack that you can get. They're not too high, so they're like small. They're like little small shrubs. So it's a great way to add some greenery to your yard, or again, if you like me and you need something low maintenance but still looks good, y'all, it literally looks natural. It looks just like a plant. So that is one that I do recommend as well too, that has made life a lot easier. To be honest, these are the kind of finds I look for. Not just things that look good, but things that are functional, that make life easier and smoother. Now, laundry bins take up so much space. I love me a good collapsible laundry bin because they're easy to store and they're super helpful to have around, especially when you need to carry things. This one does collapse down, and when you need to, you can open it up and it becomes a large laundry bin that you can use not only for laundry, easy to wipe out, but you can also use it for whenever you need to do like quick cleanups, throw some toys in here, clean up the living room, carry things up and down the stairs. You can use this for a lot of different things around your home. So I love that good heavy duty basket that you can easily clean out as well too. And when you're done, you just collapse it right back down and you're good to go. Super space saving. Put it right behind a door, under a bed, or anything like that. So let me know which one of these items you guys like best. As always, I will leave everything linked below. All came from Lowe's. So definitely make sure you guys check them out. Check out sales sometimes they have. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not. And I'll see you guys in my next video.